This video goes over the steps that are necessary to create a new project using IRBNET. After watching this video, you should be able to create, share, sign, and submit your project. Let's start by going to irbnet.org. If you do not yet have an account, you'll want to click on New User Registration here and create an account. Please note that this username and password is not linked to your UNM-Net ID. If you have an IRBNET account, you'll begin by entering your username and password and clicking Login. Once you click Login, you will be taken to the My Projects page. This page shows you all projects that you have access to. You can always tell what page you are on in IRBNET by looking in the top right corner. The page you are on will be listed there under the User Profile and Logout buttons. On this page, you can see each project's most recent board actions in the Board Action column, and you are able to sort each column by clicking on the column headers. For researchers with multiple active projects, the IRB recommends attaching your CV and city completion report to your user profile, so it does not need to be uploaded with each new project. To do this, you will click User Profile at the top. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add a new training and credential record. If you don't have any documents currently listed or don't see the document type listed that you would like to upload, click None of these and then Continue. Next, you'll want to click Choose File and browse your computer to find your city completion report and CV. For the document type, you'll want to choose City Human Subjects Research or City Main Campus Researchers. If you are uploading a CV, you'll find the CV document type at the bottom under Other. Let's go back to My Projects. To create a new project, click the Create New Project button on the top left. This will take you to the project information page. Fill in your study-specific information here and note that fields marked with a red asterisk are required. Starting with the title, you will want to enter the same title that is on your project information form and protocol. Titles on all submitted documents must match the project title in IRBNET. The keyword and sponsors field are optional. For student projects, the principal investigator will be the faculty advisor, not the student. When you are done, click the Continue button. This takes us to the Designer page. In Step 1, you can access the documents that are needed for a new project. We recommend using the New Project Checklist that's available on the IRB website and having all of your forms and documents signed and completed before creating your new project in IRBNET. Let's assume that you have all your documents ready to upload and skip to Step 2. You will upload documents by clicking Attach New Document or by dragging and dropping documents from your computer to the Designer page. You can replace revised versions of documents by clicking on the pencil icon next to the old version. You can also delete documents by clicking the red X next to the document. Under the description column, you can rename your documents. You will be unable to submit your project until you assign a document type for all documents. The document type that should be listed here can be found on the New Project Submission checklist. You can see the document type that should be listed for each document here in the middle column of the New Project Submission checklist. If you're unsure of what document type to use, select Other, and IRB staff will update this for you once submitted. Next, we need to share this project with the principal investigator and any person that you would like to have access to this project. You'll do this by clicking the Share This Project button on the left. Here you'll click Share, and you'll need to choose UNM. Here you'll get a search box. Type a name or part of a name to search for project team members. Members must have an IRBNet account or you will not find them. There are multiple levels of access when sharing, and a description of each type of access is described on this page. You'll want to select the radial button next to the level of access you would like each member to have. The next step is signing the package in IRBNet. To do this, you'll click Sign this package on the left side of the screen. In the drop-down next to your name, select your affiliation with the project and click Sign at the bottom of the screen. IRBNet will ask you for your username and password again. For student projects, the UNM faculty must sign the package. You'll be able to see all individuals that have signed the package on this page. The next step is submitting your project. Once you submit, your project will be locked to editing. A project is ready to submit in IRBNet when the following have been completed. The project information form and scientific validity review have been completed and signed. All documents required for a new project have been uploaded into IRBNet. You'll want to make sure that all project team members listed on the project team form have completed the annual online conflict of interest disclosure form, and that the city completion reports for all project team members have been uploaded into the submission or the user's user profile. Please ensure that the completion report that lists the module titles with completion dates is uploaded, or this will delay your review and approval. Once your project is ready to submit, you'll click Submit this package on the left. Under Search for Organization, you'll want to choose the University of New Mexico and then click Continue. Next, you'll select your submission type. And you'll want to add any comments that you would like to include to IRB staff here. Any funding deadlines should be stated. You can confirm that your new project has been submitted by clicking the Project Overview tab on the left and looking under the Board Action. The Board Action now says Pending Review rather than Work in Progress Not Submitted. Once your new project has been submitted, keep an eye out for emails from OIRB staff that are generated through IRBNet. One way to see messages that have been sent by OIRB staff is to click the Messages and Alerts button. This will show all notifications and emails that have been sent to you regarding your project. If you have not received an email within a week, first check your email spam folder, then check your messages and alerts in IRBNet, and then contact the IRB office to inquire about the status of your project. You should now be able to create and submit a new project to the UNM IRB using IRBNet.